Hello guys, what if I tell you that the video background you are currently looking at is 100% fake? Yes, it's 100% fake. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this magic in just 3 easy steps so that you can say goodbye to old boring video backgrounds like this. And also, I'm going to give you a bonus tip to make yours outstanding for your own competition. Before now, to create a professional YouTube studio, you need thousands of dollars to achieve this. You need professional lighting, you need props, you need good housing and all. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you that you don't really need this to create a professional video studio, right? So all you just need is your phone and proper lighting, which I'm going to be showing you in this video. So without further ado, let me show you how to make this magic happen.
So guys, so the first step is to get our professional video background. You just do that. You just Google, right? You just search professional YouTube studio background. Then hit enter. Then click on images, right? Now these are lots, so you can see that there are a lot that you can choose from here on Google, right? So this one, anyone you like. So this one, you go to freepic.com. so this another website. So this website, it's a website where you can get free images from, right? So it's called freepic.com. so if you Google is taking us to freepic.com. Now if you can see here, I've already opened it for you here, so I'm going to leave the link in the description section. So just go to freepic.com and click on professional. Just use the professional YouTube studio, right? And you are going to see many options. So if you go to see anyone that you like, you just click on it, right? You click on it and you click download. Now you click on download and it's going to download it to your laptop. Then you download it to your laptop. Now there are some that you see go premium. Like when you go premium, you don't have to give attributions, right? So since we are looking for free this thing, you just click on free download and you choose, make sure you choose large, right? So you choose large and hit enter. So you just hit enter. So that I'm going to save it in pictures, then click OK. So you can try different stuffs, right? I can try different keywords. So I think this is also nice. Let's have this, right? Let's have this downloaded too. So I'm going to hit download. Then click OK. So so we are done with the first step, right, which is downloading our professional video background. So the next step will be just click on so here Canva, you click on create new design. So the type of design, make sure it's on YouTube thumbnail, right? Then you click on create design. Then afterwards, you just type professional YouTube background, or there's this one that I like. There's this one I like here. You can like home decoration. Then when you see the one you like, now you can just pick, right? So like there's no, you just try to just get creative with this, right? Just try and get creative with this. Try and get creative with it. One I recently used, I really like this. So when you like this, right, anyone you see, you can just pick. So the amazing thing is that with Canva you can do a lot to it. So for instance, if you want to remove this timestamp of this, you can just click on elements, and so let's just type YouTube. So let's type YouTube here, so that when somebody is seeing it, he will not feel that, oh, that this video was made at 1300, right? So let's put the YouTube logo here, delete one, so we'll make it smaller, so and bring it here. So you see, Canva is very easy to use. So here, so you can edit, you can put your YouTube name here, so that you make it very realistic. So let's align this. So when you're done, you click on share and download. So download. So you see that we downloaded many. I've already downloaded some from Facebook, but any that you choose to use is different. So here pictures. So here white background. So guys, so we're done with step 1, right? So the next step is importing this amazing background to Capcut and moving the background of our pictures of our video, so that to make it look very risky, right? So to do that, let's quickly head on to Capcut. So the next step is going to Capcut to import our video clips, right? So here it's Capcut, so I'm going to click on new project and click on import, and I will click on, this is the one I'm going to use, and hit open. So this is, let me show you guys. So here, so yeah, so this is it. So I'm going to move it. So here, now this is the magic happens, right? So here, immediately I snap my finger. I'm going to cut there, right? Because I don't want to remove all the background. So I'll come here.
Yes, it's 100%.
So this is where I want the transition to happen.
Yes, it's 100%.
Top right hand corner, you see video. Then I click on cut out. Right? Make sure you select the part that you want to cut out, right? Then click on auto cut out, and you see the magic applying, right? Depending on how fast the system is. So it is at 6%, so we are going to allow it, right? So to get to 100%, so that it will automatically remove the background. So you can see now, guys, that so this place has successfully been cut out, right? So all of it. So anywhere I turn, I go to on the track, you see that it's cut out, right? And it's done perfectly. And if it's not right, if you notice that in yours you have like some hinges, now you can click on here, enhance, right? You can click on enhance, because normally I use auto, right, and it does it perfectly. So you can click on enhance, so to either enhance the face, so you can click on face, so you can see it will come here. You can smoothen your face, you can brighten it up. See that the face is getting brighter here. So but I'll leave my here. You can see your teeth. If you have black teeth, you can whiten your teeth, so like there's a lot you can do here. So you just play around it so that you can get like the perfect thing, or what you're looking for, right? So when you're done, now we move to the next step, which is importing our video background. So here, so let's go back to here. So from here, we are going to import our video background. So we click on import. So here there are lots that we can choose. So I downloaded about 4. So let's pick a random one and use. So here we hit enter, and you see that it's covering it here. So what we are going to do, we are going to drag it under this, right, under this panel. So normally, now if you are doing a video, now just remember now how it works like a cascade, right? So normally it's what you see on top that it's going to be showing here. So what you're going to do, you're going to drag it underneath this track, right? So you're going to move it down. So now it will not allow you to move it. So what you do, instead you're going to move this up, right, so that this one will be down. So here here, you see right that I'm going under. So let's put this here so that it starts where, okay, so here you see, so you should look at how it. So guys, so the last step is focusing the camera on our face, right? So what we're going to do is that we're going to blur the background. So to do that is pretty easy, right? So you select the image background, right? So you select it. You can select all of it at once, or you can select it individually if you are using just one. So let me do one. And then you go to filters. Then you go to effects, then click on lenses, then we are going to add blur. So basically what blur is going to do is that it's going to give you depth of field. So basically depth of field is the distance between the background and the subject. So basically that's just what it is, right? So as the background will not be distracting, so you look for blur. So this is the blur, so you drag it on the image. So you're going to look like this, but you see that the blur is just too much, right? So what you're going to do on the property bar, you reduce the blur level. So maybe you reduce it like this, maybe to say 10%, let's, or 11%, let's play it and see. So you can increase or reduce.
100% fake. Yes, it's 100% fake.
So you see right that it's better. So we can go back. So you see here. So let's do the same for the next image. So the next image, so here 50% here is very, very blurry. So here let's take it to say 50, right? So this is the pro tip. So whenever you are shooting your video, right, one of the things you should always watch out for, please wear contrasting color, right? So if you are wearing white, now stay between like maybe gray background or something, right? So that whenever Capcut is cutting is doing like the cutout, right, it will be easy for Capcut, so that you will not have all this between effect that the AI wouldn't be able to cut it well. So like for instance, now my hair is black, right? It's going to be not going to be nice if I stay behind black door, right? Because it's not going to cut out well. So I've tried that before and I feel I should just share that with you guys. So thanks for watching, and I hope your video gets to the right audience. Till next time, which is, don't forget to like and subscribe, right? Love you, cheers.